here for our Valentine's Day at Rainforest Cafe. Look at all these cool stuff they have in here. Look at this. Huh? Come on, we gotta come on.
Gold.
Fish. Stop. This is at Rainforest Cafe. Rainforest Cafe. Go. It's our first time here to ever be inside here. We're sitting right next to this gorilla. Anything, Mia? Chris is a little scared. Why are you scared of this? It's not real, it's just a robot. Oh, it moved, it moved, it moved. Oh, that's scary, that's a little scary for them. Monkey and gorilla. Mia's a little scared. Right, Mia? That's okay. Right? Yeah. Not scary, right? Just pretend. It's not real. No. Airbnb. Alright, we came here to our Airbnb. This is an Airbnb that's in a apartment complex. And it's in Las Colinas. It's a little closet. Little coat closet. And what is this room? Is this the master? This is a bedroom, probably with another closet, or yep, another closet with mattress and all that. What is this here? Very clean in here. Is this the bathroom? This is the bathroom in here. There's the bathroom. It has a tub and a shower. Smells like Clorox in here because they just cleaned it, I guess. Look. I'm gonna let the fan on. It stinks. Puppy. This must be like another, oh, washer and dryer. washer. Washer and dryer. Oh, nice. It's the kitchen with a pretty good sized island. Huh?
And a boat.
And the TV. And the reason why my husband picked this place, this is lake view. Really small lake view in Las Colinas. See? It's a wraparound. We're on the second floor. Look at the night sky. The balcony wraps around, kind of.
What's a boat?
Nice. Nice view. Oh! Here's another bedroom. Tight space. Here's the guest bathroom. Garden tub.
Jump in. No, more.
Another bedroom. Third bedroom. This is the morning view of the Airbnb we were staring at. It's called Lake Carolyn
What's
in
that?
Las Colinas.
What's that?
Looks like there's a. Is that a gondola down there?
What's that? Is that duck or a goose?
And
Huh?
there are ducks in this water.
Me. What's me? Me cat. Can you help? Can you help?
Yeah.